Dear parents, this is how you can access EduSprint portal using a smartphone or tab. First, you need to open Chrome browser and you need to type smmethods.edusprint.in. You need to type your EduSprint username here, which you can get from your class teacher. The easier way to remember your username is just check your G Suite email. For example, this is a G Suite email of one of the students. So here the part which starts STM and the number, that is the username for EduSprint. So you just need to remember that. Type the password if you remember, or you can reset the password using forgot password. Just click on forgot password, type your username and generate OTP. If the number is correct, click on OK and you will receive one OTP. Enter that OTP over here and log in. This is the dashboard. Here you can see multiple options. First, you need to check if the academic year is right or not. So you can change the academic year using change year option. Just select the current academic year and click continue. To make payment of fees, you can click on account, then fees, scroll down and click the number of months you are opting to pay. After selection, just scroll down and click on make payment. This will take you to the payment gateway. Select the mode of payment and click on make payment. This will take you to the banking page. After the payment is successful, you will be able to see the receipt under the paid fees section. There are many other options under the portal. You can check the attendance, syllabus. Also under info center you can check circulars and teacher notes sent by school. You can also check the report card. To check the older report cards, you need to select the previous year and go under report card section, and you will be able to find both the semester's report card. Just click on download. Similarly, you can also check the older fee receipts. We have a school app called EduSprint Plus on Play Store and App Store. Just install EduSprint Plus. Type SMHS as the school code. Here, type the username and password given to you. If you don't remember your password, you can reset using forgot password by typing just the username. If the number is correct, click on yes and you will get an SMS with OTP number. Just type that OTP number in the password area and click login. Now this is the dashboard. Here you can view the student details. You can go to the settings and check if the academic year selected is correct or not. You can select the academic year. Check the daily attendance, the teacher's note. You can also make the fees payment using the school app. To make fees payment, you need to click on fees. Click on fees payment. Select the number of months. Scroll down and click on make payment. This will take you to the payment gateway. Select the payment mode and click on make payment. This will take you to the bank page. After the successful payment, you will get a receipt under fees section. If more than one child is studying in St. Mary's, you can add the other child also under one app. So for that you need to click on settings, click on manage student, and add the credentials of the other child like you added for the first child. Under settings, there is an option called manual sync. You need to sync the data once in a month to get regular updates on the school app. Under eCampus, you can get updates about school circulars, teachers' messages, other important messages from school. To view the previous year report card, you need to open settings, click on change year, and select the year and click OK. You need to click now on report cards and you will be able to download the report cards of SEM 1 and SEM 2. Similarly, you can even download the old receipts from the previous year.